right, you dirty dogs. Say something to the camera. Say something to the camera now.
Hey, that bus driver says, how come you got such an ugly face on the, you should be smiling. I don't blame that little guy.
You know, I was hoping someone picked up when I blocked off the entrance for you guys.
Yeah, I know you were nice about it. Nobody.
Doctor, you dirty dog.
Picked it up.
You dirty dog. You ready to have a jack?
I'm ready to have a jack.
Everybody shot a jack.
All right.
Yeah,
bro. Si tú
All
me
right,
pides
homie.
tú corriendo, bro.
No, eso me lo tengo que mandar.
We're gonna fuck you up tonight.
Oh!
Straight away. You know what I mean? So you can get some rest, go by the pool, relax a little bit.
All right, by the way, this is the
'Cause I'm
camera
gonna
guy.
Fuck you up tonight.